Question. Two particles of mass m1 m2 in projectile motion have velocity v1 and v2 respectively at t is equal to 0. They collide at time t0. Their velocities become v1 dash and v2 dash at time 2t0 while still moving in air. The value of m1 v1 dash plus m2 v2 dash mod minus m1 v1 plus m2 v2 mod is 0 or m1 plus m2 into gt0, 2 m1 plus m2 gt0 or half of m1 plus m2 into gt0. So let us take before collision the velocities of m1, m2 at t0 are given as v1 dash and v2 dash. Before collision, the velocities of m1 and m2 at t0 are given as v1 double dash and v2 double dash. What will be v1 double dash? It will be v1 vector plus gt0. Similarly, v2 double dash vector is equal to v2 vector plus g vector into t0. This is the vector we have considered. At t is equal to 2t0. This is the time at which we have taken the velocity as v1 dash and v2 dash. So what will be v1 dash vector equal to v1 double dash vector, this velocity, plus 2g vector into t0, 2t0. And v2 dash will be equal to v2 double dash vector plus 2g t0. Let us substitute v1 double dash vector and v2 double dash vector here. So what we are going to get? m1 v1 dash plus m2 v2 dash minus m1 v1 plus m2 v2 vector is equal to 2 times of m1 plus m2 into g vector into t. So correct option will be 0 is the wrong option. m1 plus m2 gt0 is the wrong option. 2 times of m1 plus m2 gt0, this is correct option. Half of m1 plus m2 gt0 is the wrong option. So correct option will be 2 m1 plus m2 gt0.